Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade meringue. First, ensure your equipment is spotless and dry, as any grease can prevent the egg whites from whipping properly. Carefully separate 3 large egg whites, making sure no trace of yolk gets into the whites. Yolk contains fat, which will hinder the meringue's ability to stiffen. Have your sugar and cream of tartar ready for the next step. Now, let's get those egg whites whipped. Start by beating the egg whites on medium speed until they become foamy and opaque. This initial aeration is crucial for building volume. Next, add the cream of tartar. It acts as a stabilizer, helping the meringue hold its shape. Slowly, 1 tablespoon at a time, incorporate the granulated sugar while continuing to whip. This gradual addition ensures the sugar dissolves properly and creates a smooth, glossy meringue. Once your meringue is glossy and holds stiff peaks, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to a low 225 degrees Fahrenheit. This low temperature is key for drying out the meringue without browning it too quickly. Carefully pipe or spoon your meringue onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for approximately 60 to 90 minutes, or until the meringues are completely dry, crisp, and easily lift off the paper. After baking, turn off the oven and leave the meringues inside to cool completely. This slow cooling prevents cracking and ensures they remain perfectly crisp. Once cooled, store your beautiful homemade meringues in an airtight container at room temperature, where they'll stay fresh for several days. They're perfect for desserts or just a sweet treat. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.